Welcome back. If you guys have been following what's going on with the markets, Coinbase's direct listing is supposed to drop today, and we had Ethereum break all-time high of about $2,200, and now we are on our way to kissing $2,400. Bitcoin is pumping, the markets are going crazy. Stay tuned to hear the top crypto news stories, and I've got some altcoin requests for y'all too. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto every day. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I hope y'all are having a great, happy hump day. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and set alerts. Let's go ahead, talk about the top crypto news stories, and of course, some price action with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I may have another few cryptocurrencies for y'all as well. Let's go. This is our Ethereum weekly chart, and I told you guys we were going to be well on our way to about $2,400. That was my target. Last night was absolutely exciting to see Ethereum smash $2,300. We were struggling a little bit, and you guys, taking a look at the weekly chart, we are in an absolutely beautiful uptrend. Key areas of support, the lowest would be about $2,000. However, because markets are pumping, this may not ever happen again. You might not be able to get Ethereum below $2,000 until we go into a bear market. And who knows if that will even happen again. Either way, taking a look at the daily chart. Daily chart is looking strong, you guys. Market cipher is looking strong as well. 4-hour chart over here showing we may get a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of a correction. I think that's fine. That's normal. Maybe back down to about $2,300, possibly down to $2,200 here at support. I don't think that's going to happen, just considering what's going on with the markets, all the excitement. However, it is still important to note, because those bearish scenarios could end up playing out. As far as where Ethereum is going next, well, right when we smash above this area of about $2,400, we'll probably get in the middle here about $2,600 for Ethereum, but ultimately $3,000 is evident for Ethereum. Our first news story is about BitClout. So I found this tweet on twitter.com. And James went ahead and posted, I don't know this person, but I just wanted to talk to you guys about what they're posting. BitClout uploads your keys to their server on every API request. Any employee with access to that server can steal all the money on the platform at any time. Nader Theory and the team are too incompetent to build a browser wallet, so they decided not to. So basically, this platform is not safe to use according to this information. I would stay away from it. I've talked about BitClout on my TikTok show. Basically, I just don't think it's something I'm interested in. And if you guys do want to go ahead and use the platform, it's something you guys do want to invest in, I would pay attention to this and just be very, very, very careful. If you don't know what BitClout is, a lot of people are talking about it. A lot of non-crypto people are talking about it, shilling it all over TikTok. It's basically like a decentralized Twitter. They're taking people's profiles, everything from Twitter, and putting it on their platform without consent. And it's really not decentralized. Anyways, that's just my 2 cents about it. Do as you please. This next story is from crypto.com, and the reason why we were talking about it is because this is important if you're using crypto.com and any other centralized exchange like Voyager, Celsius, maybe even Coinbase. I'm not sure if this applies to these other exchanges, but I did want to point this out because it is important. So crypto.com is supporting the Ethereum Berlin upgrade. So what happens with Ethereum? It gets upgraded and it's supposed to help with gas fees, scalability, yada, yada, yada. So deposits and withdrawals of Ethereum and all ERC20 tokens will be temporarily paused in the app exchange and DeFi wallet roughly for 1 hour before the target block height on April 15th of 2021. They went ahead and stated down here, ETH ERC20 trading will not be affected. Details. But one thing, you guys, I like crypto.com. I do think that there may be some issues with anybody trading on the platforms, any centralized exchanges. So just please prepare. And when I talk about prepare and plan, it just means understand when there is a hard fork or when there's an upgrade or there's something going on with any cryptocurrencies networks. And the Berlin upgrade, it's an upgrade, not a hard fork. But in general, anytime there's any type of development going on, it can impact trading. So understand this, be very patient, and please get your plans, things in order, and understand that there may be some issues not only on crypto.com, but other centralized exchanges that are going to be supporting it. As far as DEXs, I don't know how that's going to impact it, but I did want to talk about this because it is important. Really quickly for crypto.com's native token Crow, because I know a lot of people like this coin and I have a moon bag of Crow. We are seeing some very bullish price action. Yes, I know my chart is a mess. MACD looks like it wants a bull cross and head upwards. It looks like we found support over here at about 18 cents at about the EMA 50, and we are up and at it. EMA 9 looks incredibly great and is looking like we're heading our way back above the trend line to retest 25 cents. Once we get back up to 25 cents, we're going to have to flip this wick swing high here at about 27 cents. And then from there, it'll probably be about 32 to 33 cents, depending on what Bitcoin is doing. I'm very excited about this because, again, I have a moon bag. Just trade with caution. But overall, Crow is going to do incredibly well in 2021. And just pay attention to the market. Really quickly, we're going to go ahead and chart DAG because I had somebody request it and they've been requesting it the last few days. So MACD did complete a bear cross on April 2nd, and our EMAs are looking a little bit bearish on the daily chart. However, we did have a nice bounce at the EMA 50 at about 5 cents here, and we're currently retesting resistance at the EMA 30 at about 6 cents. So these are going to be my areas of importance that I am looking at. I need to see us flip 6 cents here. Now, taking a look at the 4-hour chart to kind of zoom in, it's showing me that we're moving sideways. We're going to have a little bit of issues flipping up above and breaking 6 and then 7 cents. However, my trigger area would be here at 7 cents. If we're able to flip this into support, it is go time. However, I would be cautious of this support area here at 6 cents. As you guys know, Coinbase's direct listing is dropping today, and Coinbase actually gifted 100 shares to each of its 1,700 employees, which I think is really cool. This is according to CoinDesk, but it's literally all over their feed. All they're talking about is Coinbase's hashtag coin stock, and it's indicated it's going to start trading at about $349 per share, and it's up nearly 40% from the 250 reference price announced yesterday. So things are going absolutely crazy. Shout out to everybody who's making money on this. I didn't invest in it. I don't know if I can invest in it. Either way, I'm excited for everybody who's getting in on it because this direct listing from Coinbase is actually incredibly bullish and good marketing for Bitcoin. However, as far as ethics go, it's not really looking too good, at least on my standpoint. Reason why: Satoshi created Bitcoin for the people by the people, but essentially Bitcoin is a free market, and it showcases and allows people to practice individual sovereignty where you actually have ownership of things. So people can kind of come in and do whatever it is they want, but at the same time and at the end of the day, it's all about the money. Don't let greed ever get to you. Also too, you guys, because of this Coinbase going public with their direct listing, other crypto companies may be next. And this story from Decrypt shows that Kraken may go public, eToro, which that's a no-brainer, of course they would, that would make sense, BlockFi, NFT investments, which I'm here for, I love it, and back. Go ahead and comment below and let me know what you would invest in. Last story before we talk about Bitcoin: how to DeFi on Binance Smart Chain. As you guys know, Ethereum gas fees are high. We talk about it all the time. And Wendy's white paper is a free newsletter that you can get free alpha. I've got 3 writers, 3 guys writing for me. I've got Shitcoin Sherpa, I have Liberty Raider, and I have Jason Nelson. They're putting out absolutely amazing content. And in this particular article, how to utilize BSC DeFi stuff. So if there's something interesting, make sure to check it out. Now let's go over to Bitcoin. The moment you've been waiting for, Bitcoin gets another all-time high of close to about $65,000 last night. Almost close. We didn't quite get it. We're going to rocket straight up to like $70,000. It's literally right here. And it's crazy. It is so crazy to see my portfolio at all-time high. I'm just like, what in the actual heck is going on? This is the Bitcoin weekly chart. Taking a look at the daily chart, we're having, we're just kind of vibing here at about $6,200. I said this would be my trigger area to go long. So I might actually end up opening along. Either way, you guys, if we do get a little bit of a dip, maybe $59,000, maybe $60,000, but right now everything is looking incredibly bullish. And even if we just kind of draw a trend line just to see where we're at, doesn't have to be the craziest trend line from all the way back, but just as long as we really stay above it and stay above this range at like $58,000, I think we're doing well. I think we're going to see about $70,000 coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Bye-bye.